Your retirement can be secured by the revolutionary Bitcoin. This idea rests on the belief that Bitcoin's decentralized nature and limited supply make it a potential hedge against inflation. If Bitcoin continues its trajectory of wider adoption, experts believe its value could skyrocket exponentially. Imagine owning even a fraction of a Bitcoin that could be worth a fortune in the future. Proponents argue that Bitcoin could evolve into a mainstream currency. Transactions are already lightning fast, and more businesses are accepting it as payment. If this trend continues, early investors holding Bitcoin could find themselves incredibly wealthy. There's a statistical model out there called the Bitcoin Stock to Flow that analyzes Bitcoin's supply and how much new Bitcoin is created each year. And guess what? This model suggests Bitcoin could skyrocket to a whopping $1 million per coin at the end of 2024. The potential gains would be astronomical. Of course, there's the other side of the coin. The cryptocurrency market is famously volatile. It's a risk, albeit one with the potential for high reward. Most financial experts advise a diversified investment strategy. However, if you believe in Bitcoin's potential, allocating a small calculated portion of your portfolio to it could be a way to play the long game.